Hey Amanda, nice work here with your garbage dump Dan. I like how you kind of put it in a tropical setting, but it still has that landfill look to it, which is fun. One thing that I think you could do here is play around with maybe adding something to make garbage dump Dan jump out from the background, whether it's maybe an outer glow. You could play around with um, the noise, the spread. I know you've already got a color in here, so it looks like you've kind of played with it. Maybe even a drop shadow, just increasing the distance a little bit, the size, and just having it kind of jump out from the background a little bit, and just makes it pop a little. Even looks like you have a stroke here. Let's try making it white. I'll just sample cloud color, and maybe make the size a little bit bigger. That's something you can always play around with too. Another thing that I like to do with not garbage dump Dan, but the caricatures in general is kind of separate them a little bit from their background and add some contrast. So one way to do that is with some lighting effects. And I'll post a tutorial on how to do this, but I'll show you an example real quick. So you see I just added a layer here over your Tropical Trashy Island layer. I love that layer name. So I have some brushes preloaded, and I'll go ahead and choose one that could possibly work. And then you can play with the opacity and everything. Just add in kind of a spotlight behind this, and you can see how it kind of creates a little bit of a glow. It's something you can play with. You can also, adjust the opacity of that layer, however you want to play with it, just to make it kind of pop a little bit. Be sure you check out the tutorial on how to load brushes and download them and everything. If you have any questions, just let me know. I think this is coming along great, so nice work.